Did you know that shrimps have heart located in its head? Our ostriches can run faster than racehorses. Frogs can freeze solid and still survive. A blue whale's tongue weighs more than an elephant. Male seahorses carry and give birth to babies. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Crows remember faces and hold grudges. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Pigeons can do maths at basic level. A bat's wings are actually their hands. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Parrot names their babies with unique calls. Ants don't have lungs. Camels have 3 sets of eyelids. Elephants mourn their dead like humans. A group of flamingo is called flamboyants. Some turtles breathe through their butts. Ravens can mimic human speech. Giraffes have no vocal cords. Bees can recognize human faces. Penguins propose with pebbles. Dolphins have names and call each other. Sloth can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Woodpeckers wrap their tongues around their brain. And chickens are the closest living relative of T-Rex.